Hi guys, welcome to today's video. So today we have had a couple of parcels turn up from Born Pretty. One of them is a PR parcel and the other is an order that I placed with a gift card, what they give me for my birthday. So this is the PR parcel. We have got a set of glass cat magnetic gels. These new ones, look at those. Quite autumny colours, aren't they? So we are going to give them a swatch, take a look at them, see what they apply like, see what the colours are like. I'm just showing you here, this is how they all come sealed. Really easy to remove that seal. I've already removed the seal on the others off camera. So you get 10ml in these, you've got your swatch on the front, the colour number, name on a label on the lid. They've just started putting them on the lid and I really like it. So the colours in this set range from MY78 to MY83. I love that sea blue one. Wait until you see that one, guys. That is my favourite out of the whole collection. So we are going to be swatching them today. We're going to look at MY78 first. So the name of this one is called Smoky Ash. Oh yeah, I just want to show you as well the ingredients on the back there. If you want to quickly pause the video, you can do. So they cure for 60 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give this one a swatch. We'll have a little look at what it applies like. Oh, I like this one. It's like a really nice grey colour. I don't think I've got a grey cat eye, you know. I've got loads of silvers, but this is more of a grey. So as you can see, it is a glass cat eye. So that's what it looks like as a full cover colour. So now I'm going to pull my extra strong magnet out. I'm going to wiggle it from side to side, bring out that cat eye effect. And that's what it looks like with the cat eye effect. And now we're going to do the viral cat eye heart trend, like I do with all my cat eye swatch sticks now. So all I've used is a paper clip on the end of my magnet. And that is how you do the viral cat eye heart trend. Look at that, it's well cool. So we're on to the next one now. So this one is called Caramel. So what I'm going to do is, guys, I'm going to swatch the other 5. I'm going to speed the swatching up, pop a little bit of music on. And I'm going to show you exactly like I did the first one. I'm going to show you what it looks like as a full cover colour. Then I'm going to show you what it looks like with the cat eye effect. And then I'll show you what it looks like with the viral cat eye heart trend. And then once I've swatched the rest, we'll come in and we'll take a look at them all together.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Actually, guys, I decided I need to pop in now because I need to say about this one. Look at that. Oh, look at the blue shifting to like a pinky purple. That is wicked. Again, it's got that glass effect. That is so cool, isn't it? I love it. I think I've found my new favourite cat eye. And then watch when we bring them particles out, guys, with the magnet. What a beautiful blue that is. Oh, definitely my favourite cat eye to date, ever. And then we're going to give it the heart now. Even the heart looks so cool. Look at that. So I want to quickly pop it in the lamp for 60 seconds, hold it all in place, and now we can have a proper good look at it. Look at that. How epic does that look? Definitely need to be doing something with this on my nails. Don't know what I'm going to do yet, but I've got to do something really cool with that because, wow, I love it. I just love how you've got the blue on the out and then the purple in the middle. So that's what they all look like swatched. They've also had a coat of Born Pretty's super top coat over the top as well. Look how glossy that top coat is, guys. It just looks like glass, doesn't it? So glossy. Look at that end one. My eyes just keep drawing to that end one, that blue. So cool. So that's all the swatches. Now we're going to have a look at my order. So what did we order off the Born Pretty website? A few little goodies. So we have got 2 Nicole Diary gel polishes. Also cool cat eyes. Look at those. They are so cool. Really unusual actually. Not got anything like those. We've got this purple metallic stamping polish colour SP10. We've got a blue stamping gel. So this is one that needs to be cured in the lamp, where the other one is air dry. It's a really nice baby blue colour. We've got, this is out of Born Pretty's Hema Free range. Nice big massive 15ml bottles these are as well. Look at the size of that bottle, it's massive. So yeah, you get 15ml in these bottles. Your ingredients on the back there, as you can see, it does not contain Hema. Also cures in the lamp for 60 seconds. So this one is called Snow Glitter Jelly White. We are going to swatch these as well, guys. I'm just going to show you everything, then we'll get them swatched, have a look at them. And then we've also got this grape cat eye. Really cool colour as well, actually. We've got these little, they're kind of like sequins, but they're more like a little bit more plasticky, but they've got a glitter finish to them. Look at that. They're so sparkly. And they're so thin as well. I'm trying to show you here how thin they are, but it's really hard to show. They're just as thin as like the paper sequins. They're ultra thin, so you're going to be able to add them into gel polish, no problem. They're not going to cause any lumpy bumps. So we've got those. We've got some stickers. Thought these were really cool. Not got anything like these. And they've got a kind of, as you can see, like an iridescent finish to them, look. Bit pearly, kind of a pearly finish. But I thought I could also stick these down and then add some 3D sculpting gel over the top of them and make them 3D as well. I mean, they are slightly raised, but you could also make them into the proper 3D flowers, I reckon. And then we've got some black snowflakes. I do like my black snowflakes coming up to Christmas. So we're going to swatch these first. Then we'll have a look at the stamping polishes after. We're going to have a look at this Snow Glitter Jelly White first. So as you can see, it is like a milky white. Oh, I wanted to show you this brush, guys. I've never used a gel polish with a brush like this before. It's a really short, squared brush, but it applied really nice. I really liked using that. As you guys know, I do like them arched brushes, but that was a really nice brush to use. trying to show you here. So it's got like a matte white small hex in there, but then it's got a really fine iridescent shimmer running through it. So that's what it looks like after one coat. And then we're going to give it a second coat. As you can see as well, it's not really lumpy like some glitter gels are. It applied quite smooth. So that's what it looks like after 2 coats. Still slightly milky, but that's on a clear swatch stick, obviously. Can you see that iridescent shimmer running through it? It's so pretty. My camera's not doing that justice at all. It is a really, really pretty colour. It's going to be great for some winter nails, that is. So now we're going to have a look at this Born Pretty colour Grape. This is cool. Wait until you see this. So, as you can see, it's got like a purple base colour. Also, like a jelly effect. Look at that green shining through. Did you see that? Oh, look at that. That is what it looks like just as a full cover colour, guys. It is like a jelly, like I said. So now we're going to get the magnet out, and that just brings that beautiful, beautiful green out. Now we'll do the viral cat eye heart trend, and look at that. That is so cool, isn't it? What a cool colour. So now we're on to the Nicole Diary gels. These are also 10ml bottles. We've got CA14. We'll swatch this one first. So, I just wanted to let you know, guys, Nicole Diary is a sister company to Born Pretty, hence why they're on the Born Pretty website. Look at that. So it's like a really glassy, deep blue, but when the light hits them particles, it just brings like an ultraviolet, purpley blue colour out in it. Oh, look. It's like a light is shining through it. It's amazing. Really, really unusual. We're going to do the viral cat eye heart trend on this one as well. I can't wait to try this over different base colours. That's what I really want to try with these. And then we've got this Nicole Diary one, which is CA15. And again, same sort of idea, but in a green. So it's like a deep green, like a green bottle green. Again, super glassy. But as you can see, when the light is hitting them particles, which you'll see in a minute when we bring them out with the magnet, it brings out this beautiful, bright green, which again is like a bright LED light shining through it. It's beautiful. Look at that. Now we'll do the heart. So cool, isn't it? Can't wait to try some different background colours with these. That's all the gel polishes swatch. Now we're on to the stamping gel. So the colour of this one is 06. And it is like a sky blue. I've used these stamping gels before and they are really nice gels to use. And then this one is the metallic purple. And this one was SP10. So this one's got like a metallic kind of look to it. And like I said, this one isn't air dry, guys. So this is a stamping polish, not a gel. It smells just like nail varnish. It's a really beautiful metallic purple colour, isn't it? So that's what it looks like swatched over a black. Can you see, guys, on a black glove as well, how pigmented that is? It's highly pigmented. So let's have a look at the swatches again one last time as we're coming to the end of the video. So we've got Snow Glitter Jelly White, which is the Hema Free Gel Polish. And we've got this one, which is called Grape. I love that one. I really like that kind of neon green cat eye effect in the purple. Then we've got these 2 Nicole Diary ones. They're really cool. I'm curious to see what they're going to look like over different background colours. And then we've got this set of 6. And these ones are the Cat Glass Magnetic Gels. Love that sea blue one at the end, guys. I really like how it's got the pink and the blue. It's got like 2 different cat eye effects. It's well smart. So that is everything, guys, for today's video. Everything that I've showed you today, I'm going to leave links for in my description box below. So if there's anything that you've seen me show that you're interested in, all you got to do is click the link and it will take you straight over to the item on the Born Pretty website. If you do decide to place yourself an order, don't forget to pop my discount code in at checkout. I'll make sure that I leave my discount code pinned in my comments along with a link to the Born Pretty website. If you want to see what I'm going to do with some of these goodies, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click the notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. If you enjoyed this one, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.